How to see bitrate on Tidal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can see bitrate on Tidal. So Tidal offers different audio quality settings for streaming, and you can view the current streaming quality as bitrate in Tidal app. Here's how you can check the bitrate in Tidal mobile app. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open up your application. You can also use your web browser, and then on the web address bar type in tidal.com. After that, log in into your Tidal account if you're not. So click on the try bar icon, then click on the login button and enter in your credential, login into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture or username in the top left or top right corner of the app to access your account settings. In the account settings, look for the option related to audio quality, streaming quality or sound quality. Tap on it. After that, in the audio quality settings, you should see the current streaming quality displayed. Tidal typically offers several quality options such as high, normal. The bitrate associated with each quality level will be displayed next to it. If you wish to change the streaming quality as well, you can do that in this section. So select the desired quality level and the app will adjust the bitrate accordingly. Please note that the exact location of the streaming quality settings in the Tidal app may have changed or been updated since the last updated information. If you cannot find the settings, I recommend checking the Tidal app's help support section for the most up-to-date information regarding the bitrate and audio quality settings. Now additionally, Tidal may have introduced new features or settings related to audio quality since the last update, so you need to make sure that you have the latest version of your app as well, and after that you can check all of your information. This is basically how you can see bitrate on Tidal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.